Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is going to be a general collective reading, so please remember to take what resonates. Leave the rest. Okay? Okay. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. 3 of Wands, 4 of Wands. Somebody stuck in the house. 8 of Swords. Huh. So whosever energy I'm picking up on right now, I'm not sure if I should do this reading because I feel like this fire truck is very significant here. The 3 and 4 of Wands. It's like somebody made an offer here on a home. And I feel like somebody refused to take it. And they're not budging. All right. This is kind of... Okay. Yeah, Queen of Cups is the challenge here. The 8 of Swords and the Moon. Something is hidden about this home. And this Queen of Cups, this person who is in the home. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy. This is Pisces and Cancer. What is the most recent past? What is the most recent past? 10 of Cups. So somebody got everything that they wished for. An offer. And an Ace of Pentacles. So I feel like somebody offered somebody something for a home here, and because they didn't budge, it was what they wanted. They didn't care if they were stuck in it or not. They didn't want to give it up. Okay. So the immediate future is the magic of this Empress. A matriarch. And a star. So there's more than one feminine here. Libra, Taurus, Virgo, Gemini, and a mother figure. They could be one and the same, the Empress and the mother figure. Or this could be somebody torn between a mother figure and their significant other. Like I said, this is an offer of some kind of home, some kind of healing. And for some reason this fire truck is sticking out to me like there's an emergency for this Queen of Cups. This could be somebody's mother, maybe somebody who's got some kind of fame. 6 of Pentacles as the factor affecting the situation. Somebody's success. Somebody's peace. Just laying on the side there. Abundance in the Sun. This is a beautiful reading. But there's some kind of exposure coming out about this Empress who has magic, who has a star quality to them, and a mother figure that possibly is undergoing some kind of emergency. We'll get more information. There's a lot of abundance here in the Sun, which is total happiness, total wish fulfillment. This is like everything that somebody could wish for. Outside influence is the 5 of Wands and the 9 of Wands. and an emperor using their intuition. They're hurt. So this emergency could be a mother that's in bad shape. And perhaps this mother is telling this emperor to follow their intuition. And even though I feel like she might be fighting, there's so much competition on the outside here for this emperor. This mother energy is telling this emperor to use their intuition when it comes to the Four of Wands. Relationship, wish fulfillment, everything they could ever want. That this Empress is magical. And in the immediate future, whoever this five of Wands, Nine of Wands is, this is somebody who was wrestling with the idea of the Emperor and the Empress being together. But now they're standing in their integrity. And telling this emperor to use their intuition. Whatever that means. It has something to do with the Four of Wands. Marriage, home. Perhaps, like I said, maybe this matriarch or this mother energy was not happy about the two of them, but is having some sort of change of heart because of an emergency. Okay, so extra read all about it. Page of Wands is sending a message about work to possibly a Pisces, to try to hold them up from moving forward. So this has gotten interesting. Final outcome, the Hierophant, a belief system, a marriage. Ooh, somebody's about to get surprised. Surprise, surprise, surprise. Big surprise. Scorpio energy. This was a belief system of somebody else's energy that has now come to a different belief about marriage, about home, between an emperor and an empress, to where they might have gotten in the way before. They're telling this emperor to make an offer. I think this emperor, whoever they are, this masculine energy, is quite shocked by the surprise here, that everything that they were told about this empress was a lie. It was all about the money. It was this Ace of Cups the whole time. And his Knight of Pentacles lied about this energy. Perhaps told the Emperor that maybe this Empress put a spell on them or something. Like I said, this Emperor is experiencing justice in some of, in a way, in a really, really strange way. Knight of Cups wants to call a truce because justice is being served to this Emperor who is experiencing an ending, Scorpio energy. And we have Virgo energy with the Hermit. Hiding things, trying to work things out with a star, or is a star with a Queen of Wands. Somebody who possibly had to defend themselves against the ghost, against whatever this belief system was. Now the Tower comes in and the House of Cards falls. Because of whatever this emergency is. Like I said, I am seeing a literal fire truck here. I mean, maybe not just on the cards, but Eight of Swords, five of Pentacles. Somebody seriously regrets getting in the way of this. They regret stopping a person or blocking a person from making an offer. I have no idea who that is. You're going to have to call back. They were trying to stop this person from making an offer. They regret it now. Making an offer of the Four of Pentacles, or the Four of Wands and the Ten of Pentacles, to possibly a Queen of Cups, or this is the Queen of Cups. Like I said, I do feel like there's a mother energy that was involved in blocking someone or keeping someone from seeing something. Now they regret it because they're facing an emergency or karma or something of that nature that is causing a tower. Queen of Cups already walked away. Okay? So, whatever was blocked here, Queen of Cups, Empress, I can't make it up. This person considered it a loss. You know? Eight of Cups, they were just like, you know what, this ain't worth it. And they didn't stick around. They didn't wait for nobody. They knew they were being blocked. Their intuition was spot on. They knew that they were being blocked. They were a loving, kind being, very nurturing, very caring, was willing to offer everything, wish fulfillment to this masculine. But the Eight of Swords was there. And then this Queen of Cups, Empress, just said, you know what? Screw it. Whatever. If it's that important to you, keep it. I gotta go. Eight of Cups. And I feel like that's you, viewer. I feel like you walked away from this because you didn't want anything to do with it. Yeah. So the challenge is for this person to make an offer after you've walked away. To make some kind of offer. Page of Pentacles, Eight of Wands. To contact you. To call you. To get in touch with you. To walk away from something that has them so stuck in their head and regretful. I feel like for the way that they treated you. Karma's a biatch. Yeah. So, somebody saw this Ten of Cups as some kind of illusion. Didn't believe this Queen of Cups was an Empress. Didn't believe the strength of this Empress. Didn't believe in them at all. It was their Ten of Cups. It was their destiny. And the illusion was stronger here than the offer of love. For an Emperor and a Queen of Wands. Somebody has to walk away here. Because it was all like a pie in the sky type energy. It felt like the Ten of Cups. But what was the Ten of Cups was walked away from. Because somebody was under some kind of illusion here. Flying monkeys and stuff. Look who it is behind the Queen of Wands. Obsessed much? I'm just saying. You know, Emperor, the Devil, and the Queen of Wands. So this was definitely a missed opportunity for somebody with an Empress. A magical Empress at that. Somebody's trying to fix it. Immediate future. I think whoever you are, you're going to be real surprised, because here it comes. It's coming back around again for the cycle to be closed with this Queen of Cups. Because somebody cost them something here. Somebody caused some kind of problem in their life, or is still trying to cause them a problem. Some kind of magic trick. Yeah. I'm feeling third party energy with this Emperor. Yep. Third party energy. Sending a message of an offer. It's magically delicious. So whoever this third party is here, the cycle's being closed with them. A cycle is coming to a close with them, and opening up a door for a Queen of Cups. Some sort of magic trick, some sort of magic that this person pretended to have, that belonged to an Empress and an Emperor, masculine and feminine. This third party has to give up. They have to close out a cycle. I feel like they kept somebody juggling. They're still trying to keep them juggling, trying to keep them confused. The Two of Swords. Because I feel like this masculine just wants peace. But what they're getting is a magic trick. And I feel like this masculine may think that this Queen of Cups put some kind of hex on him, spell on him, something like that. Maybe that was the lie. Maybe that was what was lied about. Because Queen of Cups ain't got no time for that. She got the magic on her. She ain't got to do no magic trick. Alright. So the past. Not returning. But this ain't over. Longest days of the week, Knight of Pentacles takes the most time. Did not want it. Didn't see the blessing in it, or the success behind it, or the peace behind it, because there was an attraction issue. Now, I can't say that for the rest of you, but if I can't kiss it, I can't be with it. It's just pretty simple. But I do feel like there's no attraction here. But there is some kind of union taking place. Third party has been put in their place. 5 of Wands, 9 of Wands. Somebody seeing the absolute truth about a Queen of Cups. And they can't move on from it. They don't want the past to be over. They don't want 10 swords in the back of the Empress or the Queen of Cups. However, the truth is coming out about all of it. I'm getting some weird vibes here, guys. Yeah, confusion. So that was the whole deal here. Was that somebody had this Emperor confused, competing with confusion, getting paid for a 5 of Swords, 5 of Wands. Getting paid to fight somebody who wasn't even in the same realm as. Getting paid to fight an Empress who's just staying in her own lane and doing her own magic. And they're doing magic on her because they're confused about who the fuck she is. Y'all need to figure it out and stop it. Stop it. Because this Queen of Cups does not want anything to do with this. I can tell you that much right now. Stop this nonsense. You will pay the price. Which is extra, read all about it, and possibly an ambulance or a fire truck. Because whatever magic spell you try to put on this Empress, or think the Empress is put on you or whatever, she ain't got no time for that. Therefore, you are fighting a losing battle before you even get started. 5 of Swords, 6 of Pentacles. What's fair is fair. And even though the devil is a liar, he's usually fair. Because if you put your foot in it, it's going to smell. Alright? I'm just saying. You know? If you continue this kind of behavior towards a peaceful, loving, kind being, you will pay the price. God will make sure, and I'm sorry, but I do believe in God, and I do believe in karma, and because I'll tell you what, every time I've ever done somebody wrong, I pay for it, and you will too, whoever you are. 3 of Wands, 10 of Cups. The door is almost closed on this. 9 of Wands, 10 of Wands. Somebody's ready to throw this 10 of Cups away. They're tired. They're tired of carrying the load for this entire family. Because these people think the grass is greener on the other side. They're tired. This Empress could be a mother figure. She's tired. The confusion about a 10 of Pentacles and a Hierophant. A belief system about money. Money is not the one all be all. The 10 of Cups is. You can't buy that. Somebody's about to lose it forever. They might want to count their blessings while they still have them. Like I said, somebody's facing an ending here. Now I feel like somebody's very sorry for what they've done, but they're not going to be able to make up for it if they continue this 10 of Wands, 9 of Wands, 2 of Swords, 5 of Wands. Yeah. And make a 10 of Cups wait, because that 10 of Cups ain't going to wait. Whoever you are, you better make that offer. You need to make that offer to that Queen of Cups. She ain't gonna wait for you no more. She gonna walk away from the whole thing and wash her hands of it. She tired. She just wants to be left alone. In peace. And in truth. No longer attracted to something here because of what's been done. But I feel like somebody's just finding out about it, this whole thing. They're just finding out about it. Yep. Here's the lie coming out. 7 of Swords. Extra, read all about it. The lie is being exposed by a Queen of Swords. The truth and nothing but the truth, so help you. About some sort of alcoholism. There's somebody here who, I don't know what this is, but this is somebody who like indulges a little too much in the finer things in life, and I feel like indulges in finer things in life like $10,000 bottles of wine. I don't know what this is, but it has something to do with a luxurious life. While this Ace of Cups is sitting here in the 5 of Pentacles and the 5 of Swords. Really? Is that all you see? Is the 10 of Pentacles? Queen of Pentacles? That's all you see. It's all about the money for you, huh? You might have cost a masculine a very significant happiness. with a divine feminine. With somebody who could have brought the magic home and just been everything that this masculine would have wanted. An Ace of Cups. You stuck it in between the Five of Swords and the Five of Pentacles. Really? Wow. Because of a lie? Because nobody did their homework? They just went with the lie? Well, that lie is about to come out and everybody's going to know about it, including this masculine. Have they lost their chance? Well, there's a damn good chance of that. I feel like they got themselves all involved with some other thing. Justice, Chariot, and the Sun in reverse. Somebody's about to make a really bad mistake. And I feel like they're being forced into it. Whoever this karmic or this other energy is, this third party is, they got some dirt on this masculine. Big dirt. And they're threatening to expose them if they don't marry them. Yup. Whoever you are, you do have a choice. And if it's a Queen of Cups or an Empress, they will understand. They will look at this and they will not be disgusted by it. They will look at it as karma. Like I said, whoever you are, masculine, you're about to lose out on the love of your life. Because you're getting ready to choose somebody that's not for you. Could be same gender. Just saying. Maybe they weren't at one time, and maybe they are. To each his own. You know, y'all do you. I got no judgment here. I'm doing a tarot reading. But I'm getting a name, and it's a man's name that was turned into a female's name because they had some kind of change done. Whatever that was. So I don't know what that is, guys. You know, you take it as it resonates. Like I said, that's only going to be for a few of you. Getting a masculine's name that's been turned into a feminine's name. What is this Magician twice in the immediate future? The Truth. Someone's investment didn't pay off. Now they can't move forward. They're stuck with a demon. And a super hardcore betrayal because this demon's fixing to tell everybody their secrets. Including maybe what I just said. I'm just gonna be 100 with you guys, alright? I'm gonna post this on my regular channel probably, and post it on both channels because I feel like it needs to be heard by one and all. There's things here that have been manipulated and are not as they seem to be. Four of Cups in reverse, the Fool in reverse, the Judgment in reverse, and the the Queen of Pentacles upright. Like I said, this mother misjudged an Empress. Now this masculine regrets everything that they did because they were lied to. And it's going to come all out in the open, even if there's like a same-sex relationship here or something. All of it's going to come out in the open because justice is going to be had one way or another. Y'all came up against an Empress who was just minding her business, loving people. You regret it now, don't you? You're gonna. If you don't regret it yet, you're gonna. I'm just saying. Wow, what a reading. Beautiful energy, though. I mean, especially for this Empress. You know, she's doing her. She's blocking anything that isn't true. You know? Yeah, whether it's being said about her or to her, she's just blocking it. She don't want anything to do with it. 8 of Cups in that ass. Finding the true self, discovery, and purpose. Like I said, this person may be finding out a day late and a dollar shy. That their 10 of Cups was right there, and they decided to side with somebody who was creating injustices and unfairness and, yeah, trying to trap you so you can't see your own divinity. Social pressure. You barreled through it like a bull in a china shop. Unstoppable, no brakes. Pushing forward no matter what. Hidden camera, hidden Wi-Fi. Body snatcher, doppelganger, stealing your identity, or maybe just your energy. Misfortune, going backwards. Hate, gluttony, going too far, and losing their divine essence. Same shit, different day. Failed at destroying this Empress. And if you haven't failed at it yet, body snatcher, doppelganger, oh, that's coming. The tower is coming for you, and your lies will be exposed. Because this person was a 10 of Cups. And y'all threw your own 10 of Cups away. And can't nobody help you when you do that. Can't nobody help you. You're going to have to face the music on that one. Not saying that, you know, I mean, there's still hope here. If you're wise enough to reach for it. If not, you know, good luck with the tower. Because it's a coming. It's going to come fast. Somebody's holding their light in solitude. Even if they've been hurt. There's been a lot of mental conflict over a heart chakra activation here. Somebody's not going to see this coming. It's going to be quite shocking. Shocking. But like I said, there's some kind of confession happening here. Could be on somebody's deathbed. Could be like on a matriarch's deathbed, making a confession to a son or a daughter of what they left behind for some body snatcher doppelganger. Great fortune. Gift. Distant horizons. Unexpected income. Sudden wealth. Official notification here. And an expectation of a mature man. 1117 2226 2227 and 2228 in unison. The path to greatness is what I'm hearing. Somebody just threw it away. But they don't want it to be over. because they know that they're not going to be able to ascend or transform. Some kind of relationship is over here. Yeah. There's no talking. There's no nothing. And someone is running from a codependent relationship. They got what they needed and they left. You're getting a mad black woman type energy there where, hey, you little slut took all her stuff and some of your stuff and she left. In fact, she cleaned out your bank account too. Poor thing. Oh my gosh. So, alrighty then. Let's get some advice. Freedom, freedom, oh freedom. Da, 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 da. Think about it. What you trying to do to me? Oh, think. Gonna let yourself be free. I think this Empress, whoever she is finally gonna be free of all this messy mess. That's all she wanted anyway. I can tell you that much right now. Alright, this is the cliff swallow. This says the swallow flies free on the wind currents of the thermals in remarkable aerial maneuvers, igniting the expression as free as a bird. I'm as free as a bird now. How about you? Empress, you're free. Woo! In many cultures, such as that of the ancient Egyptians, the swallow was thought to carry souls to heaven. Early sailors would tattoo themselves with an image of the swallow, so if they drowned, the swallow would carry their soul to the heavens. In poor light, a cliff swallow looks brownish gray. However, it's in good lighting, it is luminous, metallic, dark blue. Cliff swallows traditionally make their nests on vertical cliffs, carefully crafting them out of mud. Although they can nest solitarily, they usually nest in colonies. When one finds a cloud of insects, it alerts the other members of the flock, so that all can be nourished. Even though they fly free, their community supports them. The sacred landscape wants you to know that express yourself without hesitation. Break free and let your spirit fly. Make choices that increase your freedom. Don't be tied down. Laugh, dance, explore, and go beyond the predictable behavior. Be daring. Cast aside restrictions. Find the wings. As you do, you'll help others find theirs. You aren't here to be ordinary or live a mundane life. You are here to step beyond limitations and self-imposed boundaries. Don't be trapped by the convention or the need to please others. Choose life on your terms, and don't accept rules that don't feel right. You can be immensely free and yet still be part of a loving, supportive community. You're free of this karmic wheel. Do with it as you want. But you have, it feels like a very loving, magical energy around you. You aren't meant to be normal. Show off your wings and fly free as a bird. You are not obligated to anything anymore. Someone chose something else instead of you. And they lost their 10 of Cups. Those are your messages, my babies. Please remember to press the like button, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.